Welcome to our Excel tutorial. In this video, we'll explore two methods to fill blank cells with linear values. These techniques are incredibly useful for creating sequences, interpolating data, and ensuring the continuity of your datasets. Let's start with the first method, which utilizes Excel's built-in fill feature. This method is perfect for creating a simple linear progression where you want to increment or decrement values across cells in a predictable manner. To begin, navigate to your worksheet and select the range of cells that contain the blank cells you wish to fill. For our example, we'll select the range B1, G1, where we have several blank cells interspersed with some values. Once you've selected the range, head over to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. Look for the Fill command under the Editing group. Click on Fill and, from the drop-down menu, choose Series to open the Series dialog box. This is where we'll specify our fill criteria. In the Series dialog box, you'll see several options to customize your fill. Under the Type section, select the Linear option. This choice tells Excel that you want to create a linear progression of values. Next, enter the step value that you want to use for your series. This value determines the increment or decrement between each sequential cell. After you've set the step value, click OK. Excel will now apply the series to your selected range, filling in the blank cells with linear values based on your specified step value. This process is instantaneous and provides a neat sequence across your range. Take a moment to review the results. You should see that the previously blank cells are now populated with values that form a linear sequence. This makes it easier to analyze your data and perform further calculations. For our second method, we'll delve into the world of VBA with a custom macro. This approach offers greater flexibility and can be tailored to more complex scenarios where you need to fill blank cells with linear values based on specific conditions. To start, press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. This integrated development environment allows you to write and run VBA code to automate tasks in Excel. In the VBA editor, insert a new module by going to Insert and select Module. Here, you'll write a macro that loops through each cell in your selected range. The macro will check for blank cells and then calculate the appropriate linear value to fill them, based on the surrounding cells' values. Copy and paste the provided VBA code into the new module. Close the VBA editor and return to Excel. Press Alt plus F8, select Fill Blanks with linear values from the list. And click Run. Follow the prompts in the input box dialogs to select the Start Value cell, and enter the step value. After entering the required information, select the range of cells where you want to fill in the linear values. The macro will fill the selected range with linear values starting from the start value, incrementing by the step value until it reaches or surpasses the end value. Congratulations! You've learned two powerful methods to fill blank cells with linear values in Excel. The first method, using Excel's fill feature, is quick and easy for straightforward tasks. The second method, using a VBA macro, provides advanced control for more complex scenarios. Thank you for watching. Practice these techniques to enhance your Excel skills and make your data management more efficient. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.